look at the sunset. It's very, very beautiful, and there's so many waves of the water, and we're in the sand, so we're gonna come on. We're going to go in the water. In the water, we're going to go. So come on. I need to take off my slippers and look at that. I like the sun very much because it's very, very beautiful. And I'm gonna take off my slippers. And okay, I'll come on. And I'll show you the adventure of me walking to the beach. There's so many shells here, and they have worms, shell worms. I think you can say that. Here's the water. The water is so cold, y'all. So cold. Look at the sky. It's very dark. It's very, very dark. I think it's the mountain, right? I think it's very, very fast. Holy guys, very cool. And okay, like I don't really know what to say, but I'm just saying that somebody, a small kid, threw a watermelon. Sorry, a watermelon coconut out of the water. Like, it's very cute. These are the shells. And that's all for today's video. Thank you. Bye.